Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite desserts, chocolate pudding. My mom taught me how to make it and I'm going to teach you how to make it. We start by adding these biscuits. They're eggy biscuits from Turkey. And you add them slowly into the dish. The base layer is now ready. And now we're gonna make the chocolate pudding. First you need to pour 4 cups of cold milk in the bowl. Now we add white sugar. Now we add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now we add 8 spoons of custard powder. And now we whisk it all together. When the ingredients have dissolved into the milk, it's ready to go onto the stove. You have to stir the whole time it's on the stove. Once it thickens, pour half the chocolate pudding on the biscuits. Now add 1 more layer of biscuits. Finally, top it with the rest of the pudding. Now we let it cool on the table for 20 minutes before we put it into the fridge. Yum, it's so delicious!